Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to search for our YouTube channel, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So if you don't want to make any mistake, just make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your YouTube, and then here tap on the search icon and search for the topic you want to search. Just simply, let's suppose it's about football. Here you can see it shows all the related videos to our searched topic. So if you want to search for the channel, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right and click on search filters, and you can see the option of type. Just simply tap on the option and click on channel, and you can also have other types like playlist or movie or what you want. So if you want to search for the channel, just simply tap on channel and tap on apply. So here you can see it shows the channel related to our search topics. So that's how you can easily search for our channel on YouTube. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel.